Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create user accounts setup. So let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. So before we begin discussing how to create user account setup, let's talk about the purpose of this. So the purpose of this is where the admin can create login assigned to their staff wherein each role has its own function, such as the system administrator, PS cashier, or accountant. So step one, so access and back office. So you go into the back office. So you can log in your username and your password. So you type the username and your password. So click this login. So go to the setup, this icon. So look at this user account setup. So we're ready here in user account setup. This is the user login, the full name, the phone or the email, then last the visit and access level or what is the assign and the port number. So we're here. After clicking the user account setup, a field is provided for the user to fill up this information. So the important to fill up this user login and the password and the full name. For example, the user login is um, D Daniel J. Daniel J. Then the password is Daniel 123. So the full name is Daniel J. Then the access level, click this access level drop down to the indicate what is the position of the account you are making and to whom it will begin to. So for example, see is Daniel J is a POS cashier. So for example, click this POS cashier. So after that, you can click this add new to save the account you have created. So enter. So as you can see, this a new user has been added. So as you can see, this Daniel J and the our that earlier that we created user account setup. So this is a process on how to create user account setup.